So, hey, welcome. Today we're going to be doing something called an extrude. This is the end goal. Just so you have an idea of what we're aiming for. Let me go back and I'll make a new design, start from scratch. I first want to create a sketch. I'll select the plane that I want to draft on, top, right, front. Z, Y, X. If you click on sketch, this will give you drawing designs. It could be shapes, circle, arcs, two-dimensional figures. Today I want a circle, a center diameter circle, and then I'll click at the center, hold down the button, pull out. I'll right click with my mouse, hold it down, and I'll go to sketch dimension because I want this to be 10 just so it's the right size for me. It really doesn't matter, it's just perspective since this is a tutorial. Once I have this shape, then I want to go into modify, and modify makes this two-dimensional figure into a three-dimensional shape. So modify, I want to go to, I'll go to create, I'll go to extrude, I'll click on this thing, I want it to be too high, and then I'll click, I'll make another sketch right on top. Same thing as before, we'll create a two-dimensional center circle on the top. I want this to be about 6. Type in 6, click enter. I'll go to create, extrude. I want this one high, 1, enter, and there you go. Well, thank you. I hope you know how to extrude now.